Next topic is network. So a network is defined as a set of devices interconnected by your communicating links. Okay, so a set of computers may be connected to each other by either wire or wireless communicating links. All right, now why do we have this interconnection among computers? We have interconnections among computers in order to give a facility. What kind of facility? Information sharing among the communicating devices. That informations can be shared among your communicating devices, among your computers, right? So this device that we are talking, a set of device is also known as devices, also known as nodes. All right, it is also known as nodes. So a node can be any devices capable of, but it should be capable of sending or receiving receiving data in the network. All right, so when we talk about, say, nodes, what is that? It is a device. What kind of device? Capable of sending or receiving data in the network only. Okay, and the best known computer network is the internet. Okay, is the internet. All right, now come back. Next is your network criteria. All right, network criteria. A network, dear students, a network must meet some criteria. Okay, so we will going to study 3 different criteria. The first one is your performance of a network. So based on this, we can, by seeing the performance, then we can say that the network is good or network is bad. All right, so network, first criteria is your performance. So how can we measure the performance? How can we measure the performance of a network? Using a network, the performance of a network can be measured using 2 terms. First is the transit time, and the second one is your response time. All right, response time. So a network can be measured, the performance of a network can be measured through the help of transit time and response time. So what is transit time? Transit time is defined as the time taken to travel. Suppose if this is 2 devices and then there is a network. Suppose this is your this is your telephone line, your telephone through which you are connecting. All right, so what does it take? So the time taken to travel the data from A to B, okay, to travel the data message from one device to another. All right, that is called as your transit time. Next is the response time. All right, response time is defined as the time elapsed, elapsed time between an inquiry and response. What is elapse? Elapse means it is the, what is we say what is elapse, but we actually don't know what is elapse, right? It is simply the amount of time that passes from the beginning of an event to its end. That means the time from the beginning of an event to its end is called as your elapsed time. All right, so these are called as your transit time and the response time. And the network performance depends on the following factors. This network performance it depends on the following factors. What are the factors? Number 1 is the number of users. Number of users. Number 2 is type of transmission. type of transmission medium, and the third one is your efficiency of software. But in some of the book you will have factors like hardware, also one of the factors that the network performance depends.